How to fix your device isn't compatible with this version on Android. If you are finding this issue on your Play Store whereby you're trying to download any app and it's telling you this app isn't compatible with your version on Android, so I'm going to guide you on how to fix that. If it's your first time you coming across this channel, please just subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First step you need to take, you need to go to your phone settings. On your phone setting, you're going to be scrolling down, then delete till you get to software. So for some phone, you're going to be going to your system and click on system update here and click on personal and go to online updates, then continue. So it's going to check if there is any available updates on your device. So you are going to be on my screen here, you can see your system is up to date. So my version is 12 Android and others. So can go ahead and tap on check for update as well and check if there is any available updates for my device, and if there is, I'm going to update it. Okay, so that is in order to update your system. The next step you need to take, you need to go to your you need to go to the apps on your device. So you go to your app list. For some files, you're going to see app management and tap on it. Then you're going to open up your app list. So here's the list of app in my device. The next step you need to take, you need to search for Google Play Store. Here is the Google Play Store. The next step you need to take, you need to first stop the app. Okay, after doing that, you need to click on the three line icon at the top of the screen. You need to uninstall updates. Okay, tap on it, uninstall updates, then clear the cache. You click on the storage and cache and clear the cache and the data of the app. You need to clear the cache and also clear the data of the app. So the next step now you need to take, you need to go to search for Google Play services. Okay, and click on the three line icon at the top of the screen and uninstall. Then you need to go back and restart your device, and I'm sure that's going to help fix that problem. This you have come to the very end of this video. If you found this helpful, please let us subscribe to this channel. Please do it to tell me in the comment section if you have find anything difficult on this video. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.